Laura from the Toddler Room. I miss you all so much. I hope you guys enjoy this short story titled The Lion and the Bird. Let's see. The Lion and the Bird. Lion was working in his garden when he heard a sound. Oh, poor little thing. Lion can't just leave him there. Let's bandage you up, says Lion. That will help. Oh no, they're flying away. Seems like the flock of birds. Here they are. They're flying away. Don't worry, you won't be cold here. You're welcome to stay with me. There's more than enough room for both of us. Here they are, having breakfast together, sitting by the fire, taking naps together. The days turn into nights and the nights turn into days. And look, it's snowing. The snow is cold and icy, but you are snug and warm. They spend the winter together, enjoying each and every day. It snows and snows and snows. But winter doesn't feel all cold with a friend. Here's their house all covered in snow. Something's happening. Let's see. Then one day, spring returns. And the others too. Yes, says Lion, I know. Bird looks like it's flying away. Now Lion is all alone. And so it goes. Sometimes life is like that. Lion seems sad. He's all alone. He's eating alone, standing by the fire alone, and sleeping alone. He's gardening alone. Lion's garden starts to grow. See? Summer passes slowly and softly. Then one day, autumn returns. And how about you? Lion wonders as he looks up to the sky. I think he's thinking about his friend, the birds. Maybe there's a sound. Lion looks up, and who do you think it is? you're by the tree.